How's it going, everybody? My name is Thomas Raven, back again for another video, and in this one we're going to be taking a look at my brand new haircut. I already recorded a video very similar to this maybe about a month ago with a totally different hairstyle that was kind of like almost a skin fade with like a very sort of modern looking textured quiff, and when that grew out I got it cut down to what it is now. And we are going to take a look at this brand new style. When I say brand new style, I don't mean like anything that's like revolutionary or like anything crazy with this cut that's out of the ordinary. It's just that it's very new to me, and I don't think I've ever had a haircut like this, at least not since I've been using hair products. So of course we're going to talk measurements and then we're going to style it. So on the sides, I believe it is about 1 inch long, and then it just sort of blends up into the top. And in the longest part, I'm gonna say that's about 2.5, maybe 3 inches, but it is quite short, and I've been really digging it lately, and now we're gonna style it. So in addition to just styling my hair and showing you guys how I've been doing it recently, we're also gonna be taking a look at 2 products, just so we can sort of throw them into this video, because these are the products that I've been using on a daily basis. And I want to kind of review them at the same time that I do this styling tutorial or this styling video, just so I don't have to go back again later and make a whole separate video for these 2 products. So these 2 products are my current favorite pair and my dailies that I use almost every day. We have the Stickmore Boost Tonic as a pre-styler and the Flagship Cream Pomade as a post. And so what this is going to do is give us really nice volume, really nice light texture in the pre-styling, and then lock it in post with a nice matte finish. So my hair is damp, so that means we're going to start off with the Stickmore Boost Tonic. This product came out pretty recently, and it came out with the styling cream, which I have not yet tried, but I've considered picking it up. That being said, I really like the Flagship cream, so I don't know if I really need to buy any more hair products at the minute. So we're just going to be looking at the Boost Tonic for now. This is a sort of volumizing, pre-styling tonic that is going to provide, again, volume, very sort of like light but decent hold in order to just get your hair into the style that you want, and then you can lock it in with a post-styler afterwards. Packaging is pretty nice. Again, I've said this probably maybe 10 times in other videos. I don't really care too much about packaging, just because it doesn't really affect how I feel about a product. But we have this sort of like aged looking label, sort of a classic aesthetic, and ingredients on the back, and directions on the front. And I do like the labeling. I can say that it's kind of like textured, so it has more of like an aged, like real vintage kind of feel. But outside of that, I would say that the fact that this comes in like a 9.5 ounce bottle just shows that you're getting like a really good deal for your money. Most of the products that you would get in this sort of format, I feel like would be less than this, maybe 4 or 6 ounces. So in terms of use, you're just supposed to shake it before using, and then we're going to apply it to the hands, and it comes out like a sort of milky substance. I can't really show it on camera, else it's just gonna slide off. But it's very liquidy, and it's kind of white color. I feel like I'm describing a liquid that is not a hair product, and it doesn't have that consistency, but it is the same color. And with that being said, we're going to apply it to my hair. So because it is a liquid, it just goes right in. Absolutely no possibility of any sort of discomfort when you're applying, and it's pretty much already in. I'm just going to try and get any excess off my hands, and that's it for application. In terms of scent on the Boost Tonic, it's very sort of barbershop style, very classic. Pretty much exactly the same as the Hartman's Clay and the Hartman's Cream that I tried out a long time ago, except the Stickmore Boost Tonic is actually a decent product with decent hold and any redeeming qualities. So the Stickmore Tonic is clearly much better than those 2, in my opinion. And now we're going to take our blow dryer and actually follow up with the rest of this video rather than just talking shit about other companies. Anyway, I'm going to take my blow dryer on a high heat, high speed, and grab, I'm not even going to use a brush, I have just been using my fingers, and we're just going to sort of start blow drying everything sort of forward and to the side. This is my right side. So forward and to the right side, and then once that is done, mostly dry on this top layer, we're going to take the blow dryer to the front and then just sort of shake it up and try and get every bit of moisture out of the hair. So because my hair is so much shorter now, that took like next to no time at all. My hair dries really quickly now, and we can move directly into post-styling. So I have the Flagship cream pomade here, and this is not the standard jar that it comes in. It comes in more of like a 4-ounce jar typically, but I got this in the Great Ship jar, which is a 9-ounce jar that the people at Flagship offer as like a better sort of bang for your buck for your favorite product. And this is actually my first time trying the product when I bought this, so I was really kind of hoping that I would like it, and it has become my favorite product. I use it almost every day. I mean, certainly I use some of the other products in my collection because it's a big collection, but if I ever just need consistently good results, I will go to the Flagship cream. So packaging is pretty much standard for the entire Great Ship line. I mean, you have a choice of the Dead Sea Clay, Black Ship, and Flagship cream. I wish there were some other ones in there, especially from their Streamline series, but I could imagine that those are a lot more expensive to make because they're more lab made, so they can't really do it in this type of deal. But we have, you know, cream written on the front and high hold, and the scent is tea tree mint. And we are going to take a look at the product. So yes, it does smell like mint, but it's not like a toothpastey kind of mint. So that's something that I really prefer and I really like because I wouldn't want to smell like Colgate or Crest or anything of that nature. It's just not a good smell for a person outside of their, you know, breath. But this product, while it is a bit dry and a bit difficult to scoop out, if you apply a little bit of pressure, it is not difficult at all. And then smearing it in your hands is really easy, and you just get that result where it goes clear and you just apply to the hair. And something that you'll notice is that this product is a little bit grippy in the application. Again, it's kind of a dry product. It's more on the dry side of products, and especially on the dry side as far as cream pomades go. But I actually really like that quality to it because, in my opinion, it makes the product incredibly versatile. See, I got this product back when I still had the really long sides and I was just doing like the messy sort of pompadour style. And this product worked for that. And then last month, when I got the first haircut that was, you know, the undercut sort of, well, blended undercut with the fade and the forward quiff, it worked for that. And now that I have like a very simple sort of, I don't even know what you call it, kind of haircut, it still works for that. So the dryness lends itself very well to hold, but depending on your hair length, it's still very usable, and the sort of tack that you get helps to pretty much style your hair no matter what kind of length or texture that you have. So I did 2 scoops there. That's pretty standard. I mean, my hair is short again, so I don't need a ton of hold, but because it's so thick and can be kind of wavy and hard to manage sometimes, I still kind of prefer high hold products for this kind of style. Now we're gonna take our blow dryer on the cold setting and just sort of blast everything into place and form our style, and we'll have a look at the final result when we come back. All right, so there's the final style. Again, blow drying is really fast because my hair is so much shorter. And what we have is this very sort of textured, messy sort of cut and very messy textured sort of style that I've been really rocking and really digging lately. And I just really like the way I look. I mean, plain and simple, I think that's probably Sorry, just making a little adjustment in the mirror. I think that's probably the most important thing about a style is that you yourself like the way that you look. It doesn't matter what anybody else says about your style. If you like the way that you look, your self-confidence will be off the chart. And lately, I've just been feeling so confident, really happy, really satisfied with my life. And I think part of that, in kind of a superficial way, is because I really like the way that I look. And I don't think anybody's opinion of me would change that. So this is the style. I don't want to get too deep in one of these videos, but the Flagship Cream Pomade provides really nice hold, really nice sort of styling control, so you can get that style in and get it set for the day. And I'm a finger comber still. I mean, I've been doing a lot less now that my hair's been shorter, but this product doesn't lose a ton of hold if you're still playing with your hair throughout the day. And it has a nice presence in the hair so that your hair won't go limp or deflate or lose its shape, as long as you don't get rained on or you don't go to the gym. It'll pretty much stay in place. Here's the 360 of the style. While we're doing the 360, feel free to go down in the comment section down below and I don't know, maybe go throughout my other videos. Let me know which video had the best look or the best haircut in your opinion. And yeah, let me know if you've tried out either of these products or if you're thinking about getting any sort of updated spring or summer haircuts, and if you would like to rock this haircut. Here we go. Alrighty, there you have it. This has been a sort of styling tutorial review of the Boost Tonic from Stickmore and the Cream Pomade from Flagship. Awesome products, really satisfied with this haircut, and I'm just really happy that it's not like 20 degrees outside now. Spring is here in full force, and that makes me really happy. So I'm in a good mood, and I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you feel the need to do so. Really helps me out. Let me know what kind of content you guys like. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Peace.